What if I told you Halloween is starting in the middle of the summer? Have you seen it on social media? The ghost with the sunglasses, the skeleton floating in the inner tube, the skeleton riding on the back of a flamingo float. You're not imagining it. It's all over social media now, and it is called Summerween. It's one of the newest trends, and today I want to show you some Summerween signs that you can incorporate into your wreaths and swags. So what is Summerween? Summerween, if you could think about it, is blending a mix of bright oranges and hot pinks and turquoise and all of the colors that we love with summer, right? And the tropical flowers and the themes, watermelon, pools, swimming, right? But then you add a touch of Halloween, a little side of Halloween. And it began getting popular in about 3 or 4 years ago. Even my daughter was like, let's do Summerween. And I'm like, what the heck are you talking about? So it started off of this show, okay, that the kids used to watch, back in the day. And in the show, they liked to celebrate Halloween twice a year because they loved it so much. So they started celebrating in June. Well, the kids who used to watch that show are now older and on social media, and they're incorporating Summerween into their home decor. And I've noticed a trend. I've noticed the Walmarts and the Targets of the world are embracing this. They're creating ghosts with sunglasses. They're creating skeletons floating in flamingos, right? And so how can we start to think of this up and coming trend for home decor? Because we always, we know that what happens in the younger generation is just a matter of time before it carries over into the older generation, and they're like, yeah, this is fun, let's do this. Okay, so I thought I would partner with DecoExchange and have them create some really fun and whimsical Summerween signs that we can use to incorporate into our wreaths and swags. And I want to show you what they sent me. So there's these larger 12-inch signs that are perfect for like 14-inch wreaths or 16-inch wreaths. I love them. They have, all of the bright colors and the flowers and the fruity drinks and the ghost with the sunglasses. How cute is that? There's this one that says out of office, and you've got the skeleton floating in the flamingo float with the fruity drink and our little jack-o'-lantern. And how cute is this little ghost who's ready for a little bit of Halloween action, but also a little bit of surfing action. And then we have this really fun pumpkin with the sunnies and the nice cool drink that says Summerween. So these are really pretty for the larger wreaths that you're going to be making. But if you're looking for some smaller signs that go in swags, or maybe you're wanting to use the sticky stake method of creating something fun for the door, there's these. I loved this one that had the flamingo with the witch's hat and the bats in the background. And there's this one at Chillin' and Thrillin'. I mean, how fun is that? Very fun with the pool scene in the background and the palm leaves. And then there's some that are the three-dimensional cutouts. I absolutely love this one. A lemonade and a mason jar with a little spooky eye, and it's called Spooky Sips. That's fun with all the flowers. How about watermelons cut like jack-o'-lanterns? So cute. I absolutely love this very trendy color of the hot pink and the lime green with the hibiscus all around it. Here's that skeleton again, and this time he's drinking out of a tiki cup in his Bermuda shorts and flip-flops, taking it easy, waiting for the Halloween season. It's almost like he's taking a break from Halloween, but enjoying summer, And look at this one with the witch's hat and the flip-flops and the fun little flowers. And then this one is absolutely to die for. We've got our Halloween cutout. Someone's already taken a little bite, but it looks like a little jack-o'-lantern. So cute. I love watching decorating trends emerge because it just sparks so much creativity, and Summerween is one that is capturing a lot of attention. If you enjoy staying ahead of what's trending in the wreath making and floral industry, follow along for more trend alerts, inspiration, and tutorials. Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Parker and Damon at the DecoExchange team for bringing my vision to life with these signs. I think they did an amazing job with their Summerween products. So make sure to go over, I'll put the link below, grab your signs if you're interested in making anything Summerween. It is definitely the trend that is up and coming. Comment below and let me know. Are you going to be jumping on board this Summerween trend this year, or are you going to stick to the traditional fall decor and colors? Until next Flower Friday, I am Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths. Bye.